Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to become a Zillow agent. So first off, you need to understand this. Zillow does not have a separate Zillow agent license. So you become a licensed real estate agent under the licensing rules of the state, and then you can create a free Zillow agent profile or partner with Zillow through Zillow Premier Agents to receive buyer or seller connections. So how do you do that? You can just open any tab, launch your browser, and go ahead and click on Zillow Premier Agent. So it's going to take you right into the Zillow Premier Agent website. If you're not already signed in using your Zillow account, go ahead and sign in, and it takes you here. So click on who we serve and click on agents. So once you click on agents, the page will load and this particular page will open. So what you get as an agent, you can see all of the perks that come with being an agent. So click on get started and it takes you here. So who are you? Agent or broker, home buyer or seller, or the professional? So ensure that you're on this box that says agent or broker. So go ahead and add your first and last name and click on continue. So you're going to have to add your email and click on continue. And you can add your phone number and click on continue. So now I'm going to have to add your postal code, our organization street size, whether I'm an individual agent or broker, or you can say I'm a lead team or broker, and fill out all of those. Then click on submit. All right. So click on submit. So first you have to ensure that all the information that you entered is correct, because you might just be stuck on the submit page and it's not going to submit, or Zillow is never going to respond to you. But the information that I gave, not correct, right? Because this is actually not, I'm not a real agent. I'm just showing you exactly how it works. But let's say you've entered correct information and click on submit. Zillow definitely respond to you. Now, Zillow describes the agent profile as essentially your business card on Zillow and Trulia, and specifically highlights a professional photograph, biography, reviews, past sales, and service specialties. Okay, because after clicking on the submit, you might take into another page where you need to add information such as your profile photograph, agent biography, brokerage information, service areas, areas of expertise, past sales, and client reviews. You have to do that before Zillow will confirm you as a premier agent. When you're filling out all of the information, do not rush through the part. Why? Because your profile is often the first impression a potential client gets before deciding whether to contact you. So if you have properties you're representing, make sure that your brokerage information is correctly associated with your Zillow profile. All right. So as you work with clients, build your Zillow profile by collecting legitimate client reviews and maintaining your professional sales history. Now, Zillow specifically identifies reviews and past sales as important components of an agent profile. The goal is to make your profile demonstrate not only that you are licensed, but also that you have experience and a track record of serving clients. So once you're in, or once you're accepted, you can remain with a free Zillow agent profile, or you can explore Zillow's paid Premier Agent program if you want Zillow to help generate connections with active buyers and sellers. Okay, so that is pretty much how it works. Fill out your information, talk to a Zillow consultant, choose a custom plan, and choose your advertising area. That is if you are signing up for the Premier plan or the Premier Pro plan. But once you've set up as a Premier Agent partner, Zillow can connect you with home shoppers, and the current Premier Agent process works roughly like a shopper clicks, contact agent, or request a tour, and Zillow verifies the shopper's interest. Then Zillow connects the shopper with an agent, and the agent follows up and develops the relationship. So that's pretty much how it works. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.